Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fishing Simulator. First, familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls for casting your line and reeling in your catch. Take a moment to select an appropriate fishing spot and the right gear for the environment. Understanding the user interface will help you navigate menus and monitor your progress. Consistent practice with your casting and reeling timing is key to landing those impressive fish. Choosing the correct equipment is crucial for a successful fishing trip. Always select a rod and reel combination that suits the type and size of fish you aim to catch. Ensure your fishing line has sufficient strength, perhaps 20-pound test, to handle larger species without breaking. Different fish respond to various lures or natural bait, so experiment to find what works best. Remember to upgrade your tackle regularly for enhanced capabilities. Mastering your cast is a fundamental skill in Fishing Simulator. To achieve a long and accurate throw, hold down the cast button to power up your rod, then release it at the perfect moment, often indicated by a meter. Once your line is in the water, vary your reeling speed. A slow, steady retrieve or quick jerks can entice different fish. When you feel a bite, quickly set the hook with a firm pull to secure your catch. To become a pro angler, pay close attention to the water conditions and the observed behavior of fish. Try casting to various depths, perhaps 10 feet or 20 feet, and experiment with different retrieve patterns to discover what attracts bites. Completing in-game challenges will often grant you valuable bonus rewards, like new gear or experience points. Finally, join online tournaments to test your fishing prowess against other players and climb the leaderboards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.